In this video, we're going to look at the disadvantages of selective laser sintering. While SLS offers incredible advantages in rapid prototyping and complex part manufacturing, understanding its limitations is crucial for maximizing its potential. Firstly, SLS 3D printed parts are porous compared to alternatives like SLA, DLP, or puzzle. This porosity, while generally not an issue for many applications, can pose challenges depending on your project's requirements. However, if sealing is necessary, our finishing options, including lacquer application, can address this concern. Next, let's talk about warpage. Due to the significant thermal cycling during the SLS process, finished parts can contain residual stresses, potentially leading to warpage. Careful part design and orientation, along with environmental temperature considerations, can mitigate this issue. If absolute warpage avoidance is paramount, our wider range of 3D printing technologies offers alternatives. Moving on, SLS parts may exhibit a mottled surface finish and wider tolerances compared to technologies like SLA or CNC machining. While light bead blasting can improve surface quality, achieving tight tolerances may prove challenging. If your project demands high-quality surface finish and precise tolerances, consulting our experts to explore alternative technologies is advised. Now, let's address powder residue. Despite thorough cleaning efforts, residual powder may remain, potentially affecting the part's performance. Incorporating escape holes in designs can aid in powder removal, particularly for hollow parts. However, it's essential to ensure thorough cleaning, as uncured powder residue can compromise functionality. Finally, living hinges pose unique challenges in SLS. The presence of voids within SLS parts can weaken the hinge, potentially leading to premature failure. While SLS can accommodate living hinges, their reliability may not match that of injection-molded counterparts. We prioritize communication with designers to address such concerns before production. So, while SLS 3D printing offers tremendous benefits, understanding its limitations is key to achieving optimal results. Whether it's addressing porosity, warpage, surface finish, powder residue, or living hinges, our team is here to guide you through the process. Contact the team to discuss how we can meet your project's needs with precision and efficiency.